So in my previous video, we unboxed and took a quick peek at the Lamtto RC13 smart screen. So now I've been using it for a while now, but I think that I found one fatal flaw that for me personally is definitely a deal breaker. But now, is it a problem with the unit itself, or is it something that I'm doing wrong that can be fixed that we can all learn a valuable lesson from? Probably. Oh, and also I'm going to be going over things like voice controls and sound quality of phone calls made through the device. These were graciously brought to my attention in the comments section. Thank you, Ronaldo. Let's go ahead and let's check it out. Okay, so here we are back in the Colorado. I keep it in the glove compartment, which works really well. Oh, wait, we need this. As you can see, basically what I'm doing is running my auxiliary up here under this panel, along with the power up under this panel, and then I have it mounted right there. So I'll go ahead and hook the power up, and then I'm gonna mount the screen. Okay, so super quick. Just gotta hook up our auxiliary and then hook up our power cable into the power hole. And then look at that, it's already connected. Let's go ahead and I guess we're gonna try to make a call, make Gerardo happy. No, I'm just kidding. Thank you, Gerardo, for commenting. I appreciate that. We'll go ahead and let's see what the call quality is like.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
What's up?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Does it sound great?
Yeah.
It sounds great. Does it? How does it sound?
You sound fine. Why? Where are you calling me from?
From like 10,000 miles away. Okay, thank you, bye. Okay, so she was probably lying, but it didn't sound bad on my end, to be honest at all. Actually sounded pretty good. Pretty much what every single other car interface like that I would think sounds like. Okay, Google, can you give me the directions to Outback Steakhouse?
Got it. There's a Outback Steakhouse 31 miles away. Want to navigate there?
Yes, please.
Okay, Outback Steakhouse 31 miles away.
So the calls sound good. It actually does do that, but I want to give you an example, and I'll start the car just to let you know what I'm talking about here. So now what I use usually is my auxiliary, and you can already start to hear it. Now that's really bad for me. I don't even have any music playing, and I hear that all the time. Now if I go to speaker, you can't hear it obviously because it's going to be giving, you know, sound through the speaker. Although you can still kind of hear it, although the head unit was up really loud. Now I've tried FM and it doesn't really work well because my tuner isn't really that well, or excuse me, my tuner doesn't really work that well. But so basically, now I think I might have a problem, and you might already see what the problem is that makes that loud like that. See, if you mess with that, it actually makes it a little bit worse. So what I'm gonna do is take that out, and I think because I have it running right with my wire for my power wire, plus there was a bunch of that up in there. Let's see if we run it maybe down around that way, if it sounds as bad. So I'm thinking it's a little bit better. Let me put some music on. Nope, it's definitely, the sound is still there. I can still hear it, that noise. It might just be that this actual auxiliary cord, maybe you just need to get a shielded one. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually try to hook it up Bluetooth to my radio. Maybe. All right, so I have finally figured it out. I have it hooked up Bluetooth now, and this is definitely the best way to listen to it. I think the problem is just this cord isn't shielded, so something to look out for. If you're getting that loud, annoying interference sound, definitely check your auxiliary cable. But other than that, everything works great on this. Really no complaints at all. I guess the only thing is going to be from here on out is longevity. Of course, that will come with time. I guess we'll also give you a little bit of view of the dash cam. It looks pretty good. All in all, I mean, I was really hoping that, you know, this wasn't going to sound too bad on Bluetooth, but there is kind of that thing like, you know, if I have a receiver that connects to Bluetooth, why do you need this? Mainly for this right here, and navigation, and, well, CarPlay. CarPlay comes right up, and it's very, you know, it's very easy to work with, and it's kind of intuitive. And if CarPlay is something that you use a lot, then, I mean, there you go. Just kind of sucks that there's that crack there. And one more thing that I wanted to address that I saw on a thread on Reddit, they were wondering if you could actually use this as a reverse cam without hooking up the brake light switch or the brake light bulb, which actually will automatically put it in. You can. All you have to do is just hit the camera button there, and as you can see, I have front and rear, and yeah, you can use it no problem. So all in all, I would definitely have to say that I would suggest somebody to get this for certain applications. I'm really starting to think that it might just be a problem with my jack, my auxiliary jack on my actual Pioneer head unit. Because like I said, the Bluetooth sounded great, and I really think if you do have a problem like that, like I said, a shielded cable will help you in so many ways. I mean, again, it's got pretty much everything you would kind of want. CarPlay, Android Cast, Android Auto, AirPlay. You can put a SD card. You can run your own music off of there. So the voice commands, I'm not really getting it. It seems like the voice commands kind of go through more your phone than anything. But, yeah, it's got a lot of different features. And for the price tag, I mean, yeah, I'm going to come back and do like a year review after a year, and we'll check it out. But so far, I definitely don't see any reason why I would not recommend this to friends and family, and to you, who are also my friends and family, because I love you, and you love me, I hope. Anyways, that's about all for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. We got a lot more head units coming out. We got a crazy head unit coming up that I don't know. It's weird. I don't know if I'm getting it sent to me or not. We'll see. It's kind of mysterious, so be sure to check in for that. Thank you so much again for watching. Check out my playlists. I do a lot of car audio things, a lot of automotive things. I am an automotive technician or a mechanic, and I answer questions for literally anything. If you ask them nicely in the comments, I will nicely reply to you. But again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Subscribe, and have a good one.